Flowserve offers packing in many different types, styles, and materials for a wide range of applications. One thing they all have in common is that they require periodic adjustment to ensure optimal performance. Adjusting packing is a necessary and important valve maintenance practice. Neglecting packing can lead to a leak path formation that may be impossible to repair without packing replacement. Packing leaks should be addressed as soon as possible to ensure safety and optimal reliability. For this example, we will be eliminating a leak on a Mark I control valve with standard V-Ring PTFE packing. Whenever adjusting packing, there is a risk of potential pressure release, whether the valve is pressurized or not. Whenever possible, reduce or remove the system pressure in the valve. When removing system pressure is not practical, it is critical to follow proper safety protocols as outlined by your organization. It is recommended to mark and observe the upper guide or packing follower to see if it moves up as the packing nuts are loosened, as this could be an indication of pressure trapped in or around the packing. To tighten the packing, carefully and equally adjust the nuts no more than 1/4 turn or 1 nut flat at a time in an alternating manner, while keeping the stem centered in the gland flange. Tighten conservatively, or just enough to stop the leak without over-tightening. An over-tightened condition can result in slower, jerky plug stem movements and premature packing wear. If the valve has been bypassed, stroke the valve 10 times. If the valve has not been bypassed, allow it to go through its normal operating cycle at least 5 times. It may be necessary to repeat the tightening process once the valve has cycled through normal operation. After stroking the valve or allowing to cycle through normal operation, reintroduce the system pressure and ensure that the valve is in a partially opened position. Inspect the area to confirm the leak has been reduced or eliminated. If the leak is still present, refer to the Standard and Environmental Packing Systems IOM instructions for details on recommended steps and torque values for specific packing configurations. The instructions for tightening packing are included in the IOM and are designed for new packing installations. The torque values are also often valid for mitigating leaks in packing that has already been in service. The torque value ranges outlined in the IOM are good recommendations, but in some cases they may be slightly less than the required torque to eliminate the leak. Exceeding the recommended torque may be necessary, but keep in mind that the torque value should be as low as possible in order to minimize friction, jerky movement, and premature packing wear. For packing styles not listed in the IOM, please contact your sales representative or the factory for recommended torque values. For more information about Flowserve products, contact your sales representative or visit flowserve.com.